let's try out the MSBS. That's quite pleasant to shoot. I'm not used to actually having left-hand eject rifles that aren't bullpups. That's kind of cool. All right, you can swap this around to eject out the left, but we'll just go ahead and shoot it in standard normal right person form for today. There are 3 rounds. All right, I think the Polish Army and everyone else who made these trials choices made the right choice going with the traditional rifle. It's interesting that the Bullpup, being way more rear heavy, balanced towards the rear, is far jumpier. Now, a little bit of that is going to be the fact that I'm shooting this right-handed when I'm actually left-handed, but I found much less muzzle jump on the standard configuration rifle. And they do also make a 308 version, so we can try that out as well. That's not bad at all. A little bit of a heavy rifle. There's a very heavy profile barrel on it, but quite comfortable to shoot.